Welcome to the MeasureSquare iPad tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will be going over how to set the pattern position for tile applications on a wall for iPad. By default, the pattern position is set to start at the center, leaving slivers to the edges of the walls. You can now set the pattern position to start at the bottom corner of a room for a full tile display, or set the pattern position anywhere else on the wall. After applying the tile product to the wall, tap on the wall and select the eye icon for more information. Then select Set Pattern Position. In the next screen, you can touch on the wall you want to start the pattern on. Touch on the wall and slide your finger to a few centimeters out of the room until a blue dimension line appears. Place the dimension marker in the location that you would like to set your pattern. Once this is set, release your touch. Once that is complete, tap Done. MeasureSquare will take you back to the Takeoff screen where you can see the new tile application and how it is set. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos and information for all MeasureSquare products.